To enter data in Microsoft Excel, you have to locate the active cell. The default active cell is A1. Anything you type will be displayed in cell A1. Let's type something. Then to move to the next cell, you can use the tab key, then type the next thing. If you don't want to use the tab key, you can also use the arrow key, the forward arrow key. It will take you to the cell C1. Where's your forward arrow key? And another method you can use is your mouse. You can also pick up the mouse and click on the cell you want to type into. Let's type in D1. Then we can type, let's say, class. So that is how to enter text in Excel. Now, if we want to edit the text, let's assume there is a mistake here. Instead of class, double S, we typed single S. So how do we correct it? And we have already moved away from that cell. We have different methods of correcting that. Click on that cell, then come to the formula bar. This is the formula bar. Click inside there and add the S there. Add the S. If we don't want to use that, we can double click on that cell also. Double click with your mouse, then input it. When you double click, you notice that that blinking line came back. Another method that we can use is the F2. You have to select the cell first. Select the cell, then use your F2. Where's the F2 on your keyboard? Then it will also bring out the take you to editing mode of that cell. So you can erase anything you want to erase and type it. But don't just type. Click on that cell and you type. It will replace the previous data with the new one that you just typed. That is Excel.